Did you know that The Great Gatsby is often considered one of the greatest American novels of all time? Written by F. Scott Fitzgerald, it captures the essence of a vibrant and tumultuous era, known as the Jazz Age. But what is it about this book has left such a lasting impact on readers for generations? In today's video, we will dive deep into the glamorous yet tragic world of Jay Gatsby, a man whose dreams are as big as his fortune. Stick around as we explore themes of love, wealth, and the pursuit of the American dream. Let's start with a brief overview of the story. The novel is set in the 1920s on Long Island, New York. Our narrator is Nick Carraway, a young man from the Midwest who comes to the Big Apple to make a name for himself. He rents a modest house in West Egg, right next to a mysterious mansion owned by Jay Gatsby. Gatsby is known for throwing extravagant parties that attract the elite of society. But who is this enigmatic figure and what drives him? Gatsby is in love with Daisy Buchanan, a woman he met years earlier. Daisy, who is now married to the wealthy but brutish Tom Buchanan, represents Gatsby's dreams and desires. This love story is central to the narrative. Now, let's talk about the themes that make The Great Gatsby so impactful. One of the central themes is the American dream. Gatsby represents the idea of self-made success. He rises from a poor background to immense wealth, all in hopes of winning Daisy's heart. But as the story unfolds, we see how the American dream can be corrupted by greed and jealousy. Another key theme is the illusion of love. Gatsby's love for Daisy is idealized and unattainable. He is chasing a dream that is ultimately a fantasy. This is highlighted in the tragic moments when he realizes that Daisy is not the person he thought she was. The characters in the novel are also iconic and layered. Let's revisit Nick Carraway. He's more than just a passive observer. He's deeply affected by the lives of those around him. His moral compass contrasts sharply with the reckless behavior of Gatsby, Daisy, and Tom. Then, there's Daisy. She embodies the charm and privilege of the upper class. Yet she is also deeply flawed and driven by a desire for security over true love. Tom represents the old money aristocracy and the entitlement that comes with it. His cruelty and arrogance highlight the darker side of wealth. Now let's not forget the setting, which plays a crucial role in the story. The contrast between East Egg and West Egg symbolizes the divide between old money and new money. Gatsby's mansion in West Egg is opulent, but lacks the sophistication of Tom's estate in East Egg. This physical divide mirrors the social barriers the characters grapple with. The symbolism in The Great Gatsby is also rich and layered. Take the green light at the end of Daisy's dock, for example. It represents Gatsby's hopes and dreams, always just out of reach. Similarly, the Valley of Ashes symbolizes the moral decay hidden beneath the glittering facade of wealth. As we reach the climax of the story, events take a darker turn. Gatsby's dream begins to unravel. When Daisy accidentally hits Tom's mistress Myrtle while driving Gatsby's car, the pressure mounts. This moment leads to a tragic chain of events that ultimately seals Gatsby's fate. The ending leads to several questions about love, loss, and the relentless pursuit of unattainable dreams. Before we wrap up, let's discuss the impact of The Great Gatsby. The novel not only reflects the societal issues of its time, but also raises timeless questions about the nature of success and fulfillment. It's a story that resonates with anyone who has grappled with their own dreams versus reality. So, what do you think? Is Gatsby a tragic hero or merely a victim of his own illusions? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this summary of The Great Gatsby intriguing, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging book summaries. And share this video with your friends who love literature. Until next time, keep reading and exploring the world of great stories.